In our Catholic homeschool, our day starts with a simple, joy-filled rhythm. Hi there, my name is Maria Ignacia and this is the Little Way Academy. I am so glad you're here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you my calendar time board, which I do in the mornings right after breakfast. We're all in our PJs and it takes us about 10 seconds to learn about months, days, and seasons. Let's dive in. Each part of the board helps us practice daily skills while keeping our eyes on Jesus. We start with our daily rhythm. This is just a type of schedule that we don't follow super strictly, but at least it gives us an idea of what the day is going to look like. Then we move on to the date, moving the marker to today's day, month, and year. Then we talk about the weather outside, which is a chance to notice God's creation. Next, we check the liturgical calendar. Is it ordinary time, Advent, Lent? We change the color card to match the church season. With toddlers and preschoolers, we need to keep it short and hands-on. Let them place the cards, spin the weather wheel, or pick a picture of the saint of the day if that is something that you're incorporating in your morning calendar time. We must ask simple questions like, what is the season? Who is our saint friend for today? Can we thank God for the sunshine or rain? This turns calendar time into a moment of connection, not just a checklist. In just a few minutes or even seconds, you can cover calendar skills, liturgical living, and daily gratitude, all in a way that feels natural and joy-filled. However you set up your board, remember, it's not about perfection, it's about helping our children see God's hand in every new day. It's about creating the scaffolding steps for when they start learning math skill and official calendar things. If this inspired you, please share it with another Catholic mom who would like to add some beauty and joy-filled practices into their homeschool routine. You can visit the Little Way Academy to download all the things that you saw for my calendar time board and many more resources for your Catholic homeschooling journey. Don't forget to subscribe and let's keep raising little saints one little way at a time. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.